Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadesh Creative Cooking. Today I have some easy and delicious meal prep ideas for you guys. I am a working mom with 2 kids and I do not like to eat out because not only it costs money to eat out, but when I cook my own food, I know what I'm eating. In this video, we are going to make a delicious and healthy ground turkey and a stewed chicken in a delicious tomato sauce. Let's get started. We need chopped onions and bell peppers, flour, Haitian epis or your favorite marinade, sweet peas and carrots, liquid sazon, Dijon mustard, complete seasoning mixed with dry herbs, tomato sauce, olive oil, hot pepper and cloves, lime, black pepper, ground turkey, chicken broth. First, marinate the ground turkey with Haitian epis, liquid sazon, complete seasoning and mixed herbs, Dijon mustard, and mix everything together. Add black pepper and lime juice. Next, I have a pan on medium heat. I add some oil in there, then chop onions and bell peppers. Let it simmer for about 1 minute. Then add the tomato sauce. Let it simmer for about 1 minute. Next, add the ground turkey. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then add the mixed veggies. Add the cloves and hot pepper, chicken stock, and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Add a little bit of the chicken stock to the flour and mix it up. Then add it to the ground turkey and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Et voila! The ground turkey is done. Let's make the stewed chicken. We need boneless chicken thighs, complete seasoning, chopped onions and bell peppers, Haitian epis, tomato sauce, lime and hot pepper, liquid sazon, Dijon mustard, tomatoes, and coconut milk. First, cut the chicken in small pieces. If you guys like the video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you can be notified when I post a new recipe. And do not forget to like the video. Next, clean the meat with lime and wash it off. Then boil some water with lime, thyme, and parsley and pour it over the meat. Remove the meat from the hot water and season it with the Haitian epis, complete seasoning and mixed herbs, Dijon mustard, liquid sazon. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Mix everything together. Add lime juice. I have a pot on medium heat. Add some chopped onions and bell peppers in there. Then the tomatoes. Let it simmer for about 1 minute. Next, add the tomato sauce and let it simmer for another 1 minute. Add the chicken. The hot pepper and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Next, add the chicken stock, the coconut milk, and let it boil for about 15 minutes. Make sure to taste it to adjust the seasoning if needed. Et voila, the chicken is done. I put some in my lunch container for the next day and I store the leftover. I cook some rice, cabbage, and a cucumber and tomato salad. I switch it up. Someday I have rice, cabbage, and chicken. Someday I have ground turkey, rice, and cucumber salad. Someday I have chicken and cucumber salad. Someday I have ground turkey and cucumber salad. Whatever combination you like. I will post a short video about how I make the cucumber salad and the cabbage. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all and always be creative in your cooking.